Today, I'll show you how to annotate PDF files for free. After opening JOPDF, go to the top navigation bar and click on Annotate to enter the annotation mode. Once inside, you'll see a full set of annotation tools that allow you to easily mark up your PDF documents. You can start with Area Highlight or Standard Highlight to emphasize important information in your file. This makes it very easy to focus on key content when reviewing or studying documents. In addition to highlighting, you can also use underline and strike-through tools to mark corrections or indicate changes in the text. For more visual editing, JOPDF also provides shape tools such as rectangles, circles, and arrows, which help you point out specific areas clearly inside the document. You can even add freehand drawings or insert text annotations anywhere in the PDF, giving you full flexibility to leave comments or notes directly on the page. One of the most powerful features is the stamp tool, where you can quickly apply predefined stamps like approved, rejected, confidential, draft, or for comment. These stamps are especially useful for business workflows and document approvals. JOPDF also includes stamps that automatically show status information such as approved, reviewed, or received with timestamps, making document tracking even clearer and more professional. Once you finish annotating, all your changes are saved instantly, so you can close and share your PDF without any extra steps. That's how simple and powerful it is to annotate PDFs using JOPDF. Once finished, simply save your annotated PDF file with one click. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.